What's in the box? What's in the fucking box?
What's going on, everybody? It's Fitzgerald Davis. I'm here with not really an unboxing because I actually did open this because I had to get a look at it. I had to get a feel of it. I had to put it on and I had to try it on and everything. But I just wanted to do a video on what just came out this week. Earlier this week, I ordered it on I believe it was February 21st. This is February 25th. It took a few days for it to get here. It was 10 a.m. It came out 10 a.m. Nike dropped the Nike GT Futures. Took an extra day or two because we did have a snowstorm in the Northeast in New York. I'm in New York, and we did have a snowstorm, so it took an extra day for me to get my hands on it. But did order it from Nike, and got it. Retails at $200 before taxes. We definitely will have a link down below if you're looking to get your hands on it. Sizes are limited. This is a size 12. Let's just get to me, quote unquote, unboxing what comes with it. Now, if you look at it, this box right here, very nice. Never seen it before. Nice little window right here so you can see the product. This is the red bronze Nike Futures. It came in a lot of different colors, blue, baby blue like this, yellow, other different colors that I've seen, red that I like. But we're gonna go here with this one. Put it down real quick. These are the size 12s. If you look at it right here, metallic. You might see the light reflecting on it. Have a little different colors. It has nice little bronze red to it. The fit, the feel. I never felt a shoes because I actually had to try these on before the unboxing. I never felt a shoes so tight and so hard to put on. It takes a lot to break in. I actually didn't watch videos on this till after I purchased it and after I bought it and had it on its way. They do recommend that you buy a size, a half a size bigger for it. I am size 12. The 12 and a halves were sold out by the time I was able to get my hands on it at 10 a.m. They sold out pretty quick. My size got sold out within 15 minutes. So if you do buy this, be caution. Caution is that you should get an extra size, half size over, just so you can fit it. But it does, from what I heard in my research, it does break in after a few usage of it. So I'm not discouraged. We'll keep the size. Maybe the next one I purchase will be an extra size, half size over. I just want you to get a look at it. The purchase right here, just helping you make a purchasing decision if you need to make one, and I'm helping you see the product before purchasing it. So as you see from all the angles and the feel, I obviously 45. I don't play ball as much as I used to, and I'm not gonna play ball in these. These are more so for fashion. So this is more so for me to just dress up with and put on and to move day to day with. This will be one of my number one sneakers in my collection. This is the other one right here. Comes with a little tag on it right here. This is obviously not going to wear while walking around with it. Also in the box, it comes with a nice little bag right here that you could carry your sneakers in, so you keep it nice and fresh, especially if you're getting other colors that is a lot harder to keep clean and keep fresh, or maybe lighter colors that you want to more cautious about taking around with you. So this is actually a travel size bag that you can actually put your sneakers in and keep it preserved throughout your travels and stuff like that. So I'm definitely as you see, it says right here Nike GT Futures on it, and definitely like it. Definitely love the look of it. It's definitely sleek. It gives me a reminder of not foam posits, but older Nikes. I had the flight posits many years ago, over 20 years ago. It gives me a reminder of it. And there's these other one, the Hyper Flights that came out maybe about 20 years ago. I had the yellow ones, the all yellow and black ones. Kind of reminds me of it. I'll probably leave show a little in the box what the Hyper Flights were, because a lot of people that are sneakerheads are a little bit younger. So I'm in the 45 to 50 crowd. So this is just more so something, give you guys, if you're looking to play basketball in it, like I said, half a size, maybe even a whole size over. Yeah, that's that. So I'm Fitzgerald Davis. Just want to give you a quick little video on the GT Futures, and yeah, peace.